मस्त है।
Hello, I am Ramesh, rower of Jindal Pre-University College, Ballari, Karnataka. I would like to present a poem on Corona. Title At Your Risk. Namaste is permanently gold. Handshake hug is temporarily on hold. We may be young or old, but we must be bold because the virus shivering globe. We can't go to malls, neither can we go out to joke falls. If you wanna go out, think twice, wear your mask, be wise. After coming home, sanitize and wash your hands thrice. COVID 19 is not a flame, it is a playing a hide and seek game. By following the rules, we can end this game.
My name is Lavanya. I am the ranger from Jindal Pre-University College, Ballari, Karnataka. I am going to perform yoga.
Welcome to Yoga Fit India. If we will practice yoga asana, we will become very healthy and strong and our immunity power will be increased. So now I will introduce Padmasana. How to do Padmasana? Please follow me. Now sit in Dandasana. This is a relaxation posture. Every time we should take a relax in this posture. Now fold the right leg on your left thigh. Fold the left leg on your right thigh. Put Chin Mudra. Close the eyes. Take a normal breathe in. Slowly breathe out. Once more breathe in. Breathe out completely. One more long deep breathe in. Slowly breathe out. Now take a breath for Omkar 3 times. Breathe in. Don't open the eyes, eyes should be closed. Take a relax in this posture. Now we will chant the prayer about the Omkar. Omkaram bindu samyuktam nityam dhyayanti yoginaha kamadam mokshadam chaiva Omkaraya namo namaha Akhandamandalakaram Vyaptam yena characharam Tatpadam darshitam yena Tasmai Shri Gurave namaha Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Slowly tie your hands backside. Take a breath. Little bit go back. Breathe out. Bend forward. Forehead touch to the floor. Teachers and all elders, slowly come back. Rub the palms 21 times. Place on it your eyes. Slowly open the eyes by seeing your palms.
Thank you.
I am Karan Pratap Singh, rower of Jindal Pre-University College, तोड़नागल्लू बल्लारी। फिर एक नई मुसीबत इस धरती पर आया है जिसने सारी दुनिया को जोरों से चौंकाया है। पहले तो जीते थे हंस के, जीते नहीं अब शान से, जिसने सारी दुनिया को बंद कराया जो आया है वुहान से। सबके मन में डर है फैला इस कोरोना के नाम से। रब जाने कैसी ये मुसीबत, कैसी ये मजबूरी है, 2 गज दूरी के साथ हमें मास्क भी ज़रूरी है। जब हम सोते हैं रात दिन उनकी आंखें जागे रहती हैं, अब बंद कर इन आँखों को, उनकी आंखें बस यही कहती। एक एक करके ना जाने कितनी रातें चली गईं, कोशिश किया 1000 दफ़ा हमने फिर भी ये मुसीबत टली नहीं। रब जाने कैसी ये मुसीबत, कैसी ये मजबूरी है, 2 गज दूरी के साथ हमें मास्क भी ज़रूरी है।